This is to all the people out there that told me I wasn't gonna be nothing in life. I got a little something for you guys. I knew you thought I'd break, I knew you thought I failed, I knew you thought I'd end up in jail, but I'm still here, 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 yeah. I knew you thought I'd break, I knew you thought I failed, I knew you thought I'd end up in jail, but I'm still here, 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 yeah.
Real life stories told through the 16s, the lows through the subs, the highs through the tweets, the hearts and the breaks, low blows and high stakes, hoping that a young brother make it through the day. Temptation kept my heart racing, a mile a minute, I'm out to kill it, I'm out to decipher between intentions of the queens and the snitches, I'm out to take it, I'm out to give it, I'm out to say bump it and I'm out to keep living, I'm out to hold a grudge and I'm out to give forgiveness. I'm out to be a gentleman and I'm out to be pimping. I'm out to be sober and I'm out to keep sipping. I'm out to think slow and then put the think fast. I'm out between the school zone and mashing the gas. I'm living life fast, like I got somewhere to go. No rear view, a mirror, living pedal to the flow.
I knew you thought I'd break, I knew you thought I failed, I knew you thought I'd end up in jail, but I'm still here, 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 yeah. I knew you thought I'd break, I knew you thought I failed, I knew you thought I'd end up in jail, but I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here, I'm still here,
I'm still here. Going through these days, I'm going through my pain, and everything just changing like lanes. I said, now why is my brain just telling me all these different things? Like, maybe I should listen to the voices go insane, but maybe not, because I'm on my knees late at night, I pray to God. He tell me, boy, just don't live into the words that people say to you. Don't you ask, girl, believe in you know who. G-O-D, so baby, please, you know that it just be another story for you to walk in his glory. So hey, at the end of times when you just go to bars, I said Michael will open up them doors. Not in talking Jackson, but 5 of the R. I said now you can see it like you just see all the stars. Now just believe in all that you never seen, and believe in all that you just see in your dreams.
So this is our song, I'm still here. Basically, this is all to all you haters that love just bringing people down because you don't feel comfortable with yourself. Don't be mad just because you didn't live your dreams. Let us live our dreams and just worry about yours. Because at the end of the day, whatever you say, I'm still gonna be here.